Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we will make our chicken buffalo wings. First, we have to marinate the chicken with your seasoning. The garlic powder, we have the ground pepper and paprika. And also we have our crispy fry.
This is about 2.5 kilo. Mix this first. Cover for 30 minutes. I have egg, crispy fry seasoning, and this one is breadcrumbs. We coat the chicken first to the crispy fry seasoning, like that, and after, and breadcrumbs. And fry. Crispy. Let's try the double coated egg, breadcrumbs, rolling of breadcrumbs, and put again in the egg, and roll again with breadcrumbs. The fitting. Son, see, it's bigger. The size is bigger. It's the one with 2 times coated. We try also the air fry.
The result of using air fry. This is coated and this is not coated. And this is fried with cooking oil with double coated. The result is bigger than usual. And this is also the regular single coated.